Hey guys, just another small Lego haul. And yes, you are seeing a Lego Series 7 minifigures. Why is it a small one? Well, so you got a few. I didn't pay £2, I didn't pay £1, but I paid 50p each. Yes, 44 bags of Series 7 minifigs for 50p each. Series 7, 50p each. 44. Do the math. That's £22 for all these minifigures. Got these at a local city centre store, so not in the... I only put them in the Bag for Life as the Walmart bag because that's the bag I had while I was going to work, and yeah, threw them all in there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you all later.